Assalamu alaikum. Myself, I'm Hassan Raisa from Business and Technology Management Department in Islamic University of Technology. This video presentation was assigned by our Honorable Marketing Management course instructor Abdullah Mahmoud sir. So without any further ado, let's begin.
In this instance, I'm going to talk about the relationship and difference between value proposition and perceived value. Before jumping into the topic, a short description on each of them will make the way much easier. Value is the difference between a prospective customer's evaluation of the benefits and cost of one product when compared with others. In an alternative words, value is the difference between what the customers perceive as gain and loss. So the simplest formula we find here is value equals to benefit divided by cost. The higher the benefit, the greater the value. Now there is a lot of confusion about what a value proposition is. In this instance, I'm going to talk about a single statement that explains the value of a business or even just a page. Basically, a good value proposition does three things. It tells people what you do, who you do it for, and how you do it differently. Basically, it depends on how brands showcase themselves and what they promise to deliver. For example, like Years Ahead. This value proposition by MacBook Air is super clever as well as concise. It highlights the product's biggest differentiator, which is being lightweight, and also the advanced technology of being ahead of its time. Well, brands have showcased themselves enough, but nowadays customers are better educated and informed than ever, and they have the tools to verify companies' claims and seek out the superior alternatives. How then do customers ultimately make choices? And the answer can be determined by identifying the customer perceived value. Customer perceived value is the difference between customer perceived benefit and customer perceived cost. Customers always tend to maximize the value, like when they pay an amount of money, they expect that the value they are getting should be greater than what they have paid for. When customers are making a purchase, they see what are the product benefit and how much they have to pay for that product, and they become determined when they find that the benefit is greater than the cost. For example, a customer is willing to buy a Rolls-Royce car. Firstly, he evaluates the customer perceived benefit and customer perceived cost, like what are the physical, logical and emotional benefits he is getting in form of a car, and what are the cost he might make to buy that. If the benefits are less than the cost, he will probably just move to another brand. Here we find a straightforward relationship between value and perceived value. These two terms are relatively proportional. If the value increases, the customer perceived value also increases, and if the value decreases, customer perceived value also decreases. And the main goal of value proposition is to add values to the product to increase customer perceived value. Now, what are the difference between these three terms? Value is what the product is actually worth without any expectations from the customer or seller. But perceived value is what a customer believes the product is worth. For example, dining in an underwater restaurant in Maldives might cost you around $390 for dinner. But this will seem totally unworthy to the customer who earns an average salary of $200 per month. To him, the perceived value of this dining is absolutely zero, regardless whatever the value is. On the other hand, value and value proposition are also different from few perspectives. What the company promises to deliver might not fulfill the expected value by the customer. For example, 7-Up promises that you will feel refreshed if you drink it, but there must be some consumers who might not feel the same way. Here, the value proposition actually fails to increase customer value. At the end, it can be said that value proposition and perceived value are relatively interconnected as well as different from each other.